up, everybody? Another day, another dollar. Today is Thursday, July 16, and these are the top 5 things to know. Kicking it off with number 1, stocks on Wall Street look set for a sharply lower open this morning. The Dow Jones Industrial Average futures were pointing to an opening loss of more than 200 points as of last check. S&P 500 and NASDAQ futures were also indicating weak starts for the two indices, with the NASDAQ off by more than 1.5%. On to number 2. More bank earnings are on tap this morning, with Bank of America, Morgan Stanley, and Charles Schwab all set to report their latest quarterly results. All three are expected to see a boost from increased trading revenue, as the other major U.S. banks already demonstrated in their results earlier this week. In addition to those financial sector names, Thursday's earnings lineup also includes Johnson & Johnson, Abbott Laboratories, and Domino's Pizza, all due before the opening bell. On to number 3. With all due respect to those other names reporting earnings today, all eyes will be on Netflix when it releases its latest results after the closing bell. As always, subscription numbers will be in focus as investors look for signs on how well the video streaming giant is doing in the current environment. Just a heads up, options markets are implying a 12% move in either direction for the stock following the results, so keep your eyes on that name after the market closes. On to number 4. In what will be a busy day on the economic calendar, retail sales numbers this morning will be closely watched to see if the renewed surge in COVID-19 cases and the reversal of some state reopenings is impacting consumer spending. The latest monthly data is due at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time this morning and is expected to show retail sales rose by 5% in June. And finally, number 5, the other closely watched report today will of course be initial jobless claims. Another 1.2 million Americans likely applied for unemployment benefits last week, bringing the total to almost 50 million people over the last 17 weeks. As always, head over to Investing.com's economic calendar to track the data releases in real time. So that's it for me for today. If you don't already know, you can now listen to these daily videos in podcast format on Spotify, Apple Music, and of course the Investing.com app. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button. May the trending gods be with you. Have a good day, everybody.